Here I've got the OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down a bit and pick display. Now scroll down one more time, and under display size you will notice font size. So here by clicking you can change the display size, the font size. So as you can see, you can have the large one, big one, default one, so the original setting, and also the very small one. So it's up to you which only you prefer. So you can set it up just by tapping on the scale and then go back, and the changes are already adjusted. You can also change the font style. So over here you can pick the font. So as you can see, we've changed it to OnePlus Slate from Roboto. Let's go back, and finally you can also change the display size over here. So as you can see, also by tapping on this scale you can change the display size. So it's also up to you, whichever you prefer. So that's it. This is how you can personalize the font size, style, and also the display size. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.